Hi guys, good morning, bonjour from Paris. We are now on our last leg here in Paris, and in a while we'll be going to a certain place, Saint Michel. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's so cold. Grabe siya ka tugnaw, kaayo. There you go. Yeah, that's my hobby. And my two found new friends. They're medical doctors over there from Sarangani.
Good afternoon.
Yeah. Well, we're just enjoying the coldness of the weather. Paris, you're such so beautiful. Kami pa may mga tao diri sa gawas. Uy, time check, it's already... Masa na oras sa inyo? It's 7 o'clock in the morning here. And in Philippines time, it's 2:15 in the afternoon there. Sa ating, sa ating bayang Pilipinas. Whew! Yan. Naaman mi sa Koan driveway.
On your right hand side, this is a very beautiful house in the old Swiss architecture style of the stones.
Or Caton the Rock. The Mont Saint-Michel.
Kung naay tubig, di sa
Siya ka doon.
lutay ko dyan. Hinay sila. Lubog mo sila sa buhangin. Kaya buktat din sila kaya nagpag-mental silang lawa.
At our back, guys, that's the that's the Mont Saint Michel, one of Europe's fortresses. Ilang panahon. So guys, here's the famous Mont Saint Michel of France. Marag feeling nato, no? Marag ka ng sa mga kana na But actually, this was once a church. Then, fortress siya sa Europe. Rather, sa France. Kalisod man silang sulungon because this is surrounded by a body of water. Kana siya. So, ingon pa, dagko man kuno kaayo og waves. So, kung ma-low tide or mag-low tide, dili sila masulong. And this is also one place that has not been conquered by England during the war between the French and English. And now it has become a tourist destination. And according to them, isa siya this is the second na tourist spot here in France. Pero nga ako yung ma-imagine, no? Kaya ka na yung mga salida nga mga Dracula and all. Very nice. Unya 30 ra, sa kito lang. 30 ra ka taon nagpuyo diri karon. Okay, they also have their religious persons. They have their monks, their nuns. Ayan. So, very Europe. Now, we often see this in the movie. And here it is, so real. The Mont Saint-Michel.
Hotel Transylvania. May pag mag-hotel lang sila diha. Sila ang
So here's the inside, guys. Ano siya mo? Ano siyang gate? Then, nakapagin na siya dito. Yeah. Ang ilang gate, oh. Nice kayo. So, kung sulungon sila sa una, di ba, mura ilanay ni isa ka, yung katodaan, inana, yung pagkahuman katodaan yung tusok-tusok ka na siya, na i-down.